Everyone's talking about Sora AI 2 on the internet right now. People are using it to create insanely realistic videos with perfect lip sync and virtual characters that look like real humans. But here's the thing, I'm not just talking about Sora AI 2, I'm using it. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what Sora AI 2 is and how you can make unlimited, high-quality cinematic videos with it, all in just a few clicks. Sora AI 2 is an advanced AI video model that can create stunning, lifelike videos with natural lip sync and realistic movement. Every video you're seeing right now, smooth animation, perfect expressions, and ultra-clear visuals, is made with Sora 2. This model allows creators to generate unlimited videos that look professional and cinematic without any expensive gear or complex editing. To start using Sora AI 2, you'll need to go to the Higgsfield AI website. This is the platform where the Sora 2 model officially launched. Once you're there, you'll see a simple dashboard that gives you access to multiple AI models, including Sora 2. AI provides several powerful models that produce high-quality visuals, perfect lip sync, and detailed images. But Sora 2 stands out for its ability to create cinematic-level videos in minutes. No editing skills required. With Sora 2, you can easily generate realistic scenes, add dialogue, and even create virtual actors that perform exactly as you want. How to get started. Here's how you can use Sora 2 step by step. Click the link in the description to visit the Higgsfield AI website. Sign up or log in. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see several options. Once you log into the Higgsfield AI website, you'll see different AI models and tools on the main dashboard. Among them, you'll find the Sora 2 option, and that's the one we'll be using. Simply click on Sora 2, and a brand new interface will appear. It's clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. From here, you can start creating your AI videos instantly. Before jumping into videos, you can also try the image generation feature on Higgsfield AI. Just click on the Image Generation tab and you'll see a prompt box appear. Type any creative idea you have, for example, a futuristic city at sunset. Then choose one of the available AI models. You'll find several options like Nano, Banana, and more. Once you've selected your model, click the Generate button. In seconds, your high-quality image will be ready. You can even download it directly to your computer for later use in videos. Now, go back to the first option on the dashboard, Sora 2 Video Generation. When you open it, you'll see another interface where you can upload your images and convert them into videos using AI. It's super easy. Upload your image, enter a short prompt or dialogue, and let Sora 2 handle the rest. The AI automatically adds movement, voice sync, and emotion, turning a static image into a cinematic video. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can generate professional-looking videos with perfect lip sync and realistic animation, all thanks to Sora 2 inside Higgsfield AI. Now that your images are ready, let's move on to the most exciting part on generating your first AI video using Sora 2 inside Higgsfield AI. First of all, go to the main dashboard of Higgsfield AI and click the Video option. Then, click the Upload button and choose the image you want to turn into a video. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a box where you can type your prompt. This tells the AI what kind of video you want. After typing your prompt, scroll down a bit. You'll see the Model Selection section. Here, you'll find several different models such as WAN 2.5, VO3, and many more. But for the best quality, choose the Sora 2 model. It's perfect for high-quality, realistic, and cinematic results. Next, select your video duration and choose your aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for YouTube videos. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. Now sit back and relax. Within 30 to 40 seconds, your video will be ready. You'll see how smooth the motion is, how natural the lip sync looks, and how realistic the voiceover sounds. Click on Preview to watch your result. It's truly amazing. And just like that, you've created your first high-quality AI video using Sora 2. Now let's move on and create even more videos using the same power. First, take a look at the video you just generated using Sora 2.
Hold the line! Let the blaze clear a path! The Gate is giving way, Commander!
Signal the cohorts. When it falls, we enter.
Horns! Advance!
Carthage is finished.
The
Move!
result is absolutely stunning. Smooth motion, realistic expressions, and perfect lip sync. If you want to create another one, simply type a new prompt. Select the Sora 2 model, choose your video duration, and adjust the aspect ratio to your liking. Once that's done, click on the Generate button, and within seconds, your next high-quality video will be ready. With Higgsfield AI Sora 2.0, you can create unlimited videos that look cinematic and professional. The platform doesn't just stop at basic animation, it also supports high-quality lip sync, realistic voices, and character consistency across different scenes. That means your character's face, voice, and expressions will stay the same in every video, giving your content a clean, professional. And here's the best part, Higgsfield AI offers more than just Sora 2.0. You can also try other advanced models like NVEO 3, both designed to create next-level videos with even more realistic motion and depth. For image generation, you can use Nano Banana, which provides ultra-clear visuals and accurate facial details, perfect for creating characters with consistent looks across multiple videos. Look, so if you want to create cinematic, AI-generated videos with realistic lip sync, expressive characters, and unlimited possibilities, make sure to check out Higgsfield AI and start experimenting using Sora 2 today. With just a few clicks, you can turn your imagination into stunning, professional videos, all powered by AI. Now let me show you 2 or 3 more examples using Sora 2. All I have to do is upload my image, set the video duration, choose the aspect ratio, and click the Generate button. Within just 1 to 2 minutes, the video is ready. And as you can see, the quality is absolutely stunning. Every single detail, and from the lip sync to the motion, looks professional and realistic. The best part? You can create as many videos as you want with just 1 click using Sora 2. There's no need for expensive tools or complicated editing. Check out the Higgsfield AI link in the description below. You'll also find all the AI prompts I used in this tutorial, so you can follow along and start creating your own high-quality videos right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next amazing video. Powered by Higgsfield AI, simple and beginner-friendly.